Good day, kings and queens. Welcome back. It's your boy Wheezy. I hope everybody is doing well. Let me know what's been going on with you. Comment below. Today, we'll be discussing the many health benefits of the powerful plant or herb Leaf of Life. This miracle herb has both antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It is native to Madagascar, but may be found in many tropical areas including Jamaica, other Caribbean islands, Brazil, and India. It is also known as the miracle leaf, the love bush, and the list goes on. What do you call it in your country? Leave me a comment below. This miracle herb contains many vitamins and minerals that our body requires daily. These nutrients may be extracted using the leaves to make a tasty tea, blended in your favorite juice or smoothie, or eaten raw, straight from the plant. Health benefit number 1. It aids in reducing high blood pressure. This powerful herb is a natural diuretic. It is rich in vitamin C and other compounds which help to lower blood pressure. So along with regular exercise and a healthy diet, this will help to avoid future heart problems and damage to organs. As they say, a cup a day keeps the doctor away. Benefit number 2. It may be used to treat certain skin conditions. The crushed leaves may be used as a topical remedy for discomfort, itch, and healing skin conditions such as bites and boils, even skin ulcers. Very interesting. Benefit number 3. It may be used to treat colds and respiratory conditions. This plant is rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C, which helps to relieve shortness of breath associated with asthma and bronchitis. It also aids in fixing coughs and tightness that lingers with chest colds. So go ahead and drink up. Benefit 4. It has wound healing properties. The miracle leaf may be crushed and made into a paste which can be applied to open sores and cuts to stop bleeding and prevent infection. The plant has anti-inflammatory and pain relieving properties. Miracle plant indeed.
Let me try that again. It's actually very refreshing. It's packed with vitamins and minerals and all the essential stuff that our body needs. So it can be drunk as a tea. You can put it to cool and store it in the fridge, but it's something that you can drink on a daily. Alright, thank you so much for the support. Let me know if you ever had the Leaf of Life tea before. Leave a comment below. Cheers.